Just arrived at Maple Bay State Forest Campground on the shores of Burt Lake. Burt Lake, Michigan? I don't know. It's near Petoskey. It's near Pellston. So sometimes the campfire grate at the campground isn't so great and you can't use it. There's no way to set a skillet on this grill. It'd be fine for a hot dog roast, but I didn't want hot dogs tonight. So I brought my own campfire grate. It swings on to and off of the fire. So I've decided not to use a skillet, and I'm just going to use foil on the grate and spray it with PAM or some kind of non-stick stuff. That makes flipping the Butterburgers a lot easier. Burgers. So, you know how Michiganders, Michigamies, whatever Michigan people are called, they show you where they are by using their hand if they live in the lower peninsula of Michigan. So there's Detroit, there's Flint where I'm from, there's Traverse City, there's Mackinac City, and so on. Oh, hang on. So 2 days ago, I was about here at the National Forest Campground on the Osable River, where all the steps were. And then I drove up through this side of the state, past the sinkholes to Rogers City, the home of the world's largest limestone quarry. I was at Akiak Falls State Forest Campground there. Today I drove over the top through Mackinac City, got pictures of the Mackinac Bridge and the lighthouse up there. Went over to Wilderness State Park, which is also an international dark sky viewing area. I guess it's really dark at night there. And then came back down. They wanted $33 for a campsite, just for, I mean, sure, they're nice restrooms and everything, but I don't need it. I'm all self-contained. So I came down to Burt Lake, and I'm now at Maple Bay State Forest Campground. $15 for the night. That's the standard. And I might stay 2 nights. I don't know. So when you want to talk about the Upper Peninsula, it's abbreviated UP, and like there's Copper Harbor up there, here's the Mackinac Bridge, and so on. I don't know. Anyway, people who live in the Upper Peninsula are called Yoopers, and that's the home of the famous Scandinavian pasty. Delicious. Alright, well, that fire's looking good. It's more hot embers than it is flames, and I like it that way for cooking. Dang, look at all the marks on that tree over there. People have been like storing their hatchet or their axe in the tree. Can you believe that? Dang. Still alive? Still alive. That's incredible. I tell the guys that I go camping with, look, if you want to store the hatchet, store it in the firewood, that's fine. Just don't store it in the tree. Imagine if someone embedded a hatchet in your leg. That would leave a mark for life. And that's what it does to a tree. So I'm seasoning with Goya adobo, which is an all-purpose seasoning. Actually, the Mexicans use it a lot. I use it because I'm lazy. Salt, pepper, turmeric, garlic, all in one thing, so I don't have to carry so many spices in the camper. I just about use this for everything. Potatoes, steak, meat, just, yeah. Oh, those babies are sizzling now. Putting a little bit of butter on to finish them up. Mmm. Yep, there it is. Bob's Butterburger on the campfire with a few chips and magic cookie bars made by my wife that I brought along. Yep, that's what I'm talking about.